For this Google Classroom, we're going to be looking at our short A words. And all of our A words are going to be 3 letters. They're going to be a consonant, a vowel, and then a consonant. So I'm going to look at my picture here in the circle, and then I'm going to use my letters and drag them up to my sound boxes to create the word. Now, if you don't know what this picture is supposed to be, or you want to hear me sound out the word, you can click over here on the black speaker button, and then this will pop up. You can push the play button to hear me say the word and sound it out. Once you know what the word is, you're going to click and drag the letters up to the sound boxes to make the word. So I know that this word is the word cat. So I'm going to go k, C, A, T. And then I made the word cat. There are more for you to practice here on the side, and when you get to the end, then turn it in.